What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol ATNF for 180 Life Sciences. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talked about it just the other day. The fact that it broke this resistance trend line, closed above the 50 SMA, closed inside of this prior trading range right here. It all looked bullish. And, of course, on today's session, we did get a new higher high, and we also respected the gap close area at and around $5.54. However, what do we have in terms of intraday 30-minute structure? I don't know about you, but this certainly starts looking like a bear flag to me. And in the face of a broad market that was basically just up and away all day today, this is fairly concerning. So I'm not saying it has to go lower, but it just doesn't look ideal for new longs at this point in time. Don't get me wrong, I can see what's happening in the post market. We're $6 by 585, so 15-cent spread, not really something that's too attractive on a sub $10 stock. However, we are above the bear flag range. That's what I'm getting at here, and this is going to give us a couple of very obvious situations to pay attention to for tomorrow's open. As long as we stay above that 573, I would say cautiously bullish inside of the stock, looking for some sort of daily bull flag consolidation at that point in time. Again, as long as we hold up above that 573. That to me would be okay. A couple days of digestion, and then maybe it makes another move higher. But it would need that sort of digestion. Again, today's volume as well is fairly concerning. If you take a look at the first green bar, sure, that looks exciting, but all of these people are technically overhead supply, and the rest of the day, it seems like buyers lost interest and we just sort of consolidate lower. So that's my real concern. The other concern is if we take out the low end of the flag, there's really not a whole lot keeping us up underneath us. If we look at the prior day session, of course, this was the Friday half day, but 512 is not like some miraculous area of support. Sure, it is from the daily here, but how we got here doesn't really seem like it wanted to respect that, right? We basically just broke right up on through it. So to me, a breakdown of this, sure, maybe a bump in the road at 512, but really after that, it's the top end of the prior range, which if I scrunch up the 30, you can see we have much more price interaction here as opposed to when we broke that 512. So that's my concern with the stock. Again, as long as we open above this 573, fine, call it healthy bull flag consolidation up here, and then looking for the breakout at some point in time for higher, getting into 680 and then potentially $8. That's all fine down the road, but again, really exercising some caution at and around that 554 inside of ATNF. That's really going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.